So we got a 2016 Nissan Maxima key fob. I'm going to open it up and show you how to replace the battery, okay? So flip it over. There's a button right here that we're going to slide to the right and hold down. All right, we're going to hold it down with our thumb, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key out the bottom of the remote. Once we have that out, I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. You notice there's two spots on this remote, these two little spots, these little slots, okay? See them right here on the ends. My screwdriver fits perfectly inside of this. It doesn't go very far in here on both sides, but I'm going to use this left one. Put it in here. I'm going to give the screwdriver a twist, and it's going to crack it open. Same thing on this side. Crack it open, and then go around and open it up carefully. And then on the back side of the remote or cover is where the battery is. Just pry this out just like that. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR 2032 with the positive sign facing down, okay? Make sure this contact is nice and straight before we put this back in. We're going to stick it in here like this onto the contact first, and then slide it in. And then just get the back half of the bottom front side of the remote. And you just snap this back together. Emergency key goes in, locks in, and you are all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you hit that like button for me if you could, or leave me a comment.